everyone, so I'm Shruti Ahuja and today I'm back with a very nice and interesting trick that how to learn the difference between Clemmensen and Wolff-Kishner Reduction. So it is from Organic Chemistry, class 12 and important for Neet, JEE, boards, everything. So I think you need to know how to identify like which reaction is the Clemmensen and which reaction is the Wolff-Kishner one. So first of all, we have to understand what are these both reactions. So if I'm having some, like I can say aldehyde or ketone, that means mainly a carbonyl group here. Then if we reacted with zinc amalgam, or we can say Zn and Hg with HCl, that is acid. This is the point to be noted. Here is the acid. And then what will I get? I will get simple the hydrocarbon, that is alkane, and CH2O. So water will be lost here. So can you just relate it with there is a loss of water also here, right? The water is being produced. Similarly here also the carbonyl group is here, and now if we see here this NH2, the H2O will be lost. So the 2H from here and 1 oxygen from here will form the H2O, and here we have lost that 1 molecule of water. So finally I will get this, and then if we reacted with ethylene glycol and KOH, potassium hydroxide, and heat, we are heating it. So what will I get? Nitrogen gas, and what will we get here? This nitrogen and this simple alkane hydrocarbon. It may be something else, may not be like simple alkanes, it may be some other with many other bonds, but here this we are considering this part only. So how to identify it quickly, because we will not get enough time to remember all these reagents and everything. So first of all, understand Clemmensen reduction. Let's go with the word Cl, Clemmensen, right? Here I am having Hg, that is called mercury. That is mercury, and in Clemmensen I am having M. So H stands for the mercury and Cl stands for the chlorine, which I am having in HCl, hydrochloric acid. So by this method we will identify the Clemmensen reduction. Next, I am having the Wolff-Kishner. Here you have to identify with the KOH. Yes, the KOH, potassium hydroxide. Kishner has the letter K, and here I am having KOH. So let's remember again. Clemmensen reduction starts with Cl. The Cl will be HCl, right? Where will be the acidic medium. And zinc amalgam, that is mercury, Clemmensen, M will rhyme with it. Next I am having Wolff-Kishner. Wolff-Kishner has the letter K. K will be the KOH. And if you want to identify more, here is a loss of one water molecule. So I can just relate it to Wolff. Wolff eats that one water molecule. That was an extra one, but yes, you can identify with it. So if you like this trick, and if you really like this channel also with metrics and easy concepts explained in a very lucid manner, then do subscribe the channel and share it with your friends.